eyes are missing mine. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret it.
Alright guys, today we're going to be going putting the rear diffuser on the car. We're going to be going to my brother's shop, check out what he does, and he's going to help me get this rear diffuser on. He's already got it painted, so we're good to go there. We just got to install it on the rear. I've already got the front diffuser, the side diffusers put on, did that a couple of weekends ago. I've been lacking on making videos, just haven't really had the time, but we're going to be making some changes and I'm going to be getting some more videos put out. Just bear with me, but we're gonna do a cold start. We're gonna get the car pulled out and then we're gonna head to the shop. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're here at my brother's shop. We're gonna watch and see what he does for a living, and then we're gonna get to putting the rear diffuser on. All right, stay tuned. What are you doing?
I didn't even hear you fucking pull up.
Yeah, you can get robbed in here.
Where the fuck did you pull up at?
Right there.
Why don't you just back in?
Oh, well, hell, I didn't know what I was supposed to do. So what is this machine in here? Mixing all the shit.
This just, it's what they call a mix tank. So it pretty much just stirs your paint.
Why is there so many being stirred right now?
It has to stir. All these are all your colors that go into one color.
Ah, okay.
These are all what they call toners. So, and it's all labeled for what your toner use is. Your green is like very high use, yellow is very medium use, and low, and then just you rarely use it.
Okay, gotcha. Okay guys, I got the plastic dip off the back of the bumper. As you can see, it is now clean. We have the piece prepped. It didn't have holes for the license plate bolt, so we drilled the holes for it, got it marked. And now we'll peel the 3M tape and we'll stick it on there and we'll show you what it looks like here in a minute.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. 'Cause we're burning bright. 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 And on we'
right, guys, that's it for the video. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully I'll have some more content in the next couple of days. All right, appreciate it, guys.